Hello everyone, my name is Tu. Today I'm very happy to show you again. And now I will show you for next any sounds. Okay, I will show more to the first. Let's practice, for example, any sound. Stems, stems, stems. They are stems. There are 3 stems. Hats, hats, hats. I hats summer. She hats summer. Wants, wants, wants. I want to cup a coffee. She wants to cup a coffee. Cooks, cooks, cooks. I cook very bad. She cooks very bad. Thinks, thinks, thinks. I thinks. English is very easy. She thinks English is very easy. And it sounds z, z. Sentence, sentence, sentence. I send the letter. I send the letter. Goes, 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 goes. I go by bus. I goes by bus. Cheese, cheese, cheese. There a cheese. There 3 cheese. Leaves, 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 leaves. I live in Thanh Hóa. She lives in Thanh Hóa. Picture, 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 pictures, pictures, pictures. There picture. There 3 picture. Okay, and it sound easy. Wanted, wanted, wanted. Today I want to speak to you. Yesterday I wanted to speak to you. Started, started, started. Today I start learning English. Yesterday she started learning English. Cleaned, cleaned, cleaned. Today I cleaned the tub. Yesterday I cleaned the tub. Walked, 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 walked. Today I walked to go to school. Yesterday she walked to go to school. Played, played, played. Today I played outside. Yesterday I played outside. Okay, thank you for listening and watching. Bye bye.